back to the Toy Barn. My name is Kathy. I hope you guys have had a fantastic weekend, and you probably already saw the video that I did on Sunday. Like I mentioned, Thursday and Friday were like above average. Everything was going okay. And then Saturday, it kind of hit the bricks. Things were, like I said, eBay was only like a $5.58 day. Nothing going on there. Today, we did pick up a little bit. So far we have like a $74 sale, and of course we're still during the day, so things usually pick up during the evening. But in the last few days we have had, since Friday, or actually Friday day, maybe a little bit left over from Thursday, 15 items, and we got one from Poshmark and the rest from eBay. So I will go through all of those. Darren actually spent the day with my middle son Jordan. They did a lot of mowing and things of that nature, so he's actually inside just taking a shower and everything. So he said, if you want to do the video solo, so I said sure, why not? And so he's getting all cleaned up there. So I will be going through this with you. But before we begin, if you like the video, go ahead and like it. Once you see it, make those comments, guys. We love your comments, and we love the fact that you are going over to the poll that we put out, that we post every day, and sharing information with us as well. So if you haven't already, go ahead and do that. But definitely, we love your comments on the videos. We appreciate it so much. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications, so each and every time we upload content, you'll be the first to know. All right, we're going to begin. Poshmark. Now, guys, if you're a naysayer on seasonal items, I'm telling you, people are buying seasonal items way before the holiday comes. So this is a Halloween item. This is a hide and eek, so this is like a Target brand. Crown, it's an adult crown, and it's going out to Karen for $5 plus shipping to boot. So thank you, Karen, for that. Really, really nice. It's going to be really, really great to use for that next party, or, you know, theatrical thing, or whatever you're going to use it for. So thank you so much for that. So we're going to start out with eBay. We have different kinds of things: pallet items, coins, currency, stuff like that. So the very first one here, we have a 1960 D Ben Franklin half. It's PCGS certified. Love those certified coins. MS64 FBL. So for those of you that aren't really versed into currency, the FBL stands for full bell lines. And this is going out to Robert for $89.98. So thank you so much for that, Robert. And the next one we actually have a 5-piece coin order going out. She bundled it herself, so to speak, and so she put it all together on eBay. So I will be rattling those off. So we have the 1892 Indian cent good. We have the 1936 D Buffalo nickel, also good. We have the 1914 silver barber dime, and that's average circulated. We have the 1911 Liberty V nickel, and that's also, actually, that's very good. So there's a difference. So if you know about condition, there's call, there's good, there's very good, fine, extra fine, and then of course you get up into the mint states. But this one is very good. And then we have the 1937 Buffalo nickel, and this is a fine condition. So for all those 5 coins, they're going out to Jocelyn. Hi, Jocelyn. For $15.84. So that is really good. There was little deals. So those coins are just on the grade, average grade. Roughly, they run about $2 to $3 a piece on there. So she kind of picked them up and had made a coin buy there, a multi-listing coin buy. So thank you so much for that, Jocelyn. We really appreciate it. And then we sold another coin, guys. This is in a holder that we had purchased a bunch of holders in, but this is the 1879 S silver Morgan dollar, very fine, and it's going out to Jerry for $51.28. So thank you so much, Jerry, for that. Moving right along, we have a pallet item that we got back in the fall of a bunch of Target brand new. So look at this. They still have the padding in there. They were never taken out of the box, meaning that Target didn't open up, take all the padding out and putting them out there. So this has been in the box still with tag. So this is, it's called a New Day. It's called Maxine Flats. So you can probably see the picture better here. See it right there? Size 9. And this is going out to Fatima for $27.99. Thank you so much, Fatima. As you know, we got this in a pallet, so we didn't pay that. I think the average price we paid on this particular pallet ranged anywhere from $2.50 to $4.50. So imagine $27.99 plus shipping, not too bad. Thank you so much for that. And then moving on to that, here we go. Then we got some more coins here. It was a coin weekend. This is the 1962D Ben Franklin half PCGS. It's one of the main companies there. MS64 full bell lines, again, the FBL. And it's going out to Jason for $95.98 plus shipping to boot. And not only that, he bought another one, guys. This one here is a 1957D Ben Franklin half Gem BU. And of course, again, it's going out to Jason for $30.98. So think about it, guys. He is a repeat buyer, had bought 2 items. So that would generate to a little bit over $130, about $135 there. So thank you so much, Jason, for those purchasing those 2 coins. And then we have a coin here. This is the 1912 Liberty V nickel. Fine. It's going out to Michael. Hi, Michael, for $4.50. Thank you so much for that. And it doesn't stop there, folks. I'm going to have to probably pick this up so you can see it. It's a little heavy, but I'm sure we will find a box for it. This is one of those coolers. If your child, grandchild, or someone you know, niece, nephew, is a fan of Ryan's World, this is his Ryan's Awesome Cooler Surprise. So it has 27 pieces in it. And I believe this came from a pallet. I'm almost positive it did. It came from a pallet. And it sold to Katie. Hi, Katie, for $30. So it made a little bit of a deal there. I think it was running about $39.98 plus shipping, but we accepted an offer at $30. So thank you so much, Katie. And then this was a fantastic deal over here. I don't know if you have seen these before or how highly collectible they are, but we got these in a pallet. They are called Series 1 Disney Princess Teacups. Each one has like a mini collectible plush in them. So I'm sure there's different, maybe the 4 different, you see that there are 4 different characters perhaps. We get one of each. I'm not really sure. Collect them all. I think so. But anyway, we got these at a mixed pallet. So Target, Amazon, Macy's, Dollar General. And so someone bought 4 of these, and they sold to Jessica, and guess what they sold for? $59.76. Thank you so much, Jessica. 4 of these, very nice collectibles. I wish I could say we have more of these, but we do not. So we're currently sold out of our Disney Princess teacups, and they sold pretty quick. And lastly, another pallet item. This came from an Amazon mystery box. It says 125, but I think it's 2 packages or 3 packages. So I think they said it was like 375. So 3 packages of 125 each. Flexible neon straws. Those are really cool. And they are going out to Joshua. Hi, Joshua, for $9.99. Have you noticed that I hadn't been saying plus shipping to Boo? I wanted to make sure that I wasn't saying it too much. If it was bothering you, let me know in the comments below. I'm trying not to always say that on every item. But wanted to let you know that we had sold those 15 items. 1 from Poshmark, 14 from eBay. Total of 15. So before I end the video, I wanted to read a comment that we received, I believe it was on Saturday, from Tilly Mosher 9980. She said, I had a good day, then today was a big dismal. One good day followed by a dismal week is the pattern of selling on eBay. Kind of is, right? eBay has issues again, not news, right? But I am wondering how you guys sustain your business on this kind of platform. It constantly restructures itself, making unproven changes every hour, forcing us to start over from scratch almost every day. You know, you're right. It's not easy. It's something that we've had to adapt, you know, like everyone else, like all you other resellers out there, constantly adapting to restructuring, to changes, to figuring out how to refresh listings, promote listings, and the whole 9 yards we talk about all the time together. So we had replied to her comment, like every reseller, we're always adapting. One way to help you is to avoid selling on just one site. Don't put all your eggs into one basket, especially right now. You just don't want to ride the eBay wave only, right? Cross-posting helps. So on Mercari, we started Mercari back in late 2019, probably around October, November, I can't remember, but I know it was around the 4th quarter. And we started it because eBay was constantly having more and more issues and changes and things like that. And I said, it's probably not a good idea to have all of our eggs in one basket. We need to kind of figure out what we need to do to make things happen a little bit more for us and to gain some money and some views on other things, especially when it has the feel of that, that listings are being hidden. So we tried Mercari, and we're still on Mercari, and we have a little bit more items on there than eBay, probably about 500 more items. I think it's like a little over 8,000 now. And I wanted to share a figure with you. On Mercari, over the last few years, since 2019, we've sold over $32,000 on there. Now, that's not a lot, okay, considering of how many items we have on there. So, but anyway, it's $32,000 we wouldn't have had we not cross-posted, had we not listed. On Poshmark, I've been on there at around the same time. I think I also signed up in Poshmark around 2019. It's not sold several thousand. But I'll be honest with you, in the very beginning, I may have only had like maybe 100 items or less for a good long while. So I know the reason why on that. I wasn't always following. I wasn't always sharing items. I wasn't always refreshing my listings. So it kind of went stale for a good while up until this year. So we continue to add to it. We continue to share and follow and try to get the Posh Ambassador status, stuff like that. So I know it's going to continue to increase and increase. But getting back to what we're talking about, yes, I think it's very, very important that if you can, and it doesn't drive you crazy, to look into cross-posting on other sites. I had a gentleman ask us about a week ago and say, what are your favorite cross-posting sites? What do you feel has been most helpful for you? And everything's different, and we haven't tried everything. I mean, the reseller world, we haven't tried Etsy. We're very leery from Amazon just because of all the horror stories of having to get on there, what you can sell, what you can't sell at first. We'd be new to it, so I don't know. We haven't really looked seriously into it. But we're on, of course, as you guys know, eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, and I think that's all we are on right now. But like I said, there are other sites that we've been on before. Bonanza was one of them. We did sales here and then, a sale here, a sale there, stuff like that. But we're always looking to improve. We're always looking to cross-list if need be, especially if we have a large amount of one listing. For instance, we have like 47 pumpkin scoops back there from Target. Great way to kind of, you know, go those around, and if someone buys one, you know, we can adjust as we go. Just a lot of different things. I know locally I'm going to try to do a to be a part of a festival and be able to share some of the liquidation items and sell them for really, you know, rock bottom prices to kind of move some, because when you have a buildup of that much, you kind of want to just give it off a little bit, get that money, and then put it back, you know, for investment and for profit, etc. So that's going to be something I'm going to be looking into soon as well. So I don't want to continue on, guys. I know you're probably busy getting more listings on and packing, shipping, and doing all the things that you do best. Again, we really appreciate your comments, all the love that you've got out there for us, and watching our videos, and we really do appreciate it. And we hope and pray that things pick up with eBay. We're just going to ride the waves of the restructuring and hope at the greater end things will get more back to normal. But if I don't see you then, I will check out and be back with you on Tuesday. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.